No, out. Please. Bye-bye, Packers. Deserving a nice nap, aren't you? I'm not ready to switch to another course yet. I'm just going to do a few minor taxes from this game. This music is starting to get annoying. Let's go back to where we at. Whatever! Don't whatever me. Oh. Ow! Ow! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's kind of funny. Uh-oh. You can do it later. Let's time travel for a bit. Ow! Is that out most of the time? Oh, this game is a lot better and calming. I play something relaxing too. The games. Oh great, not again. That's not funny, Claire. Oh dear. Oh. Look out! What the? Oh boy. Oh. Yes! It's not funny when you remind me like that. Ow! Oh, you know what? Face this. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Uh-oh. That's it. No more bees. Oh, that sucks. Uh-oh. Yes! Uh-oh. No, more bees. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's go. Hold it, bees. Uh-oh. Yes! Wow! Now this happened even more. And I'm not giving you anything from there, too. Why do you always have to be rude, player? I don't know why for some reason. Hold on, bees! Not now. Uh-oh. Hey, push over there. Don't be cold in the hot street. We want sunny. And it's over, too. That's okay. I might have messed up the music for a bit. You still didn't listen. Looks like options in the other side now. Probably updates, something like that. Or like this the entire time. Or it was like this the entire time. Oh my word. There, Luna, you stay in there. That's what you get for being rude to me today. There goes your punishment. I don't understand. This is straight up awesomeness. Free goodies? Do you want free goodies? No, thank you. I would move on to something else. Don't worry about her. She's not that much nice cat anyways to have a pet character. Except for real life Turkish Explorer, you do be nice, in my opinion. Or if it doesn't go well to me when I got it, I guess I was wrong. Adopting that kind of cat. At least a better white cat too. Times cat is not that. At least he eats all day. Huh? I know. Yo, shit. Yo. What? Yoshi.
Your mom! Am I hearing your mom joke again?
Last time I bring that joke to me anytime. It's time for you to stop saying that. I don't want to look at the whole thing right now. Oh no, we got on pause. That's what you gotta do. You see the music's right over there. Jelly pipe. You wanna go back? No, they have some kind of funny roaming spiky guy, something like that, and that lips too.
You seen them before in your windows and I was young?
Yeah. I don't know why. I thought there'd be overworld, something like that. There'll be in a jelly pipe. Then it'd be the only one. They'll be the only one there. No any other courses. That's their home here, okay? Every enemy has a home too from this game. That's where they go and that's where they live.
I'm not finished pushing it down yet.
You're finished. Oh, hey, really beautiful.
I don't think so. When did he go away? Is he gone?
Oh, finally. Just going no further, player. Oh, well, dude. I wonder what. Oh, finally, she's doing it. Yes, you can have your treats, my friend. I'm not gonna make you wait forever. Why in the world I must do that? One must never make somebody wait this long over food. Okay. Oh.
I'm going back over here. And instead of the blue...
Oh, no, too late. Wash Yoshi up. Ha ha ha. That's funny. You go first. I think you're kind of nice. I was wrong. I was wrong getting mad at you and taking you seriously, Chloe. That was a mistake, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Very, very sorry. Eh? Oh, she's falling asleep. Good job, Macy. How can I not notice that from her?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh is right. Yes! What are you loading? I don't need anything right now. Which Yoshi should I pick? This is slot 8. Ooh, slot 8. That's nice. I need slot 8. I like other white cats better. I would choose Simon's cat again. And I haven't even... Yeah, I feel sorry for him. Getting mad or something like that. In the game of... you know, you guys say Simon's cat, guys. Oh, Chloe, you do not have to get upset, my dear. It's been like many times you have done this, silly. Oh, I was just trying to be nice. Oh, well. I'll stop getting mad at her anyways. It'll work again, I promise you. Oh, I do not like that. I love Mimpi. Yes, serves you right, Luna. You ate me over time, which I should have not gotten you. That was a mistake for me in late 2020. That was a mistake for me in 2020, mid-2020. Like, I'll say August, since he was saying no to me most of the time. I didn't do anything. Let me play my game in peace, for God's sake. And please, Happy is trying to notice it too. So why not be nice to her and respect others? Seems like you're the one who don't care, Luna. I'm mad. Seriously, why? Why did you use me in August? I hope this... Well, you know what? She's not going to feel as much as August as well. And let it off with a nice family remember. Oh dear. Oh dear. Are you okay, Nancy? Thanks for showing up, Firefly. Ah! No. Slide Whizzle? Every time logs fall? You're playing a slide whizzle on me, aren't you? Oh dear. Nope, it's the game, I swear. It may sound like that, but still. I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it! Take that out! Yes! Oh, I can't. I know the rope. No, I'm not doing that, sorry. Whew, what is this? That stuff.
Fire. Not again, bro.
Woo! Okay. Oh my god. That is so funny.
Ain't fun anymore.
Look out. Uh-oh. I like the animation every time it released bullet bills.
Well,
I don't understand.
oh, please, fire.
What's up there? I'm not sure.